Hey everybody, I got a quick tool haul from Lowe's. It's a single item. You've probably seen it on the channel before, but please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is going to be just a quick little video. This is another small Father's Day deal. I picked up this exact Ratchet screwdriver. It's called a double drive. So you could physically hold the center and twist to make it go fast, or you could hold the collet and it will act as a single driver, or you can use double drive. I really like this tool. That's why I picked up another one. I got this tool last year during Father's Day as well, if I remember correctly, which is this guy right here. So I have two of them. One of them I can leave in the toolbox, and the other one I can put in a work bag. It's a great tool. I love them. They work great. Have no issues with them. I do, every time, if you go slow or medium speed, sometimes it catches on one direction. This direction right here. Right there it catches. And I've circumvented that problem by putting just a little oil in here and lubing the gears. I really like it. It comes with bits in the cap. So if you take the cap off, it's got bits in the cap with an extension as well. It's a very nice little kit, little bundle. Works great. I just wanted to share it with you guys. I also picked up the big brother of this one, which this one is up to 2 times faster than standard Ratchet screwdriver. The bigger model is 6 times faster than this unit. So we're going to be doing a separate video on that one. I picked it up. It was not a Father's Day deal. I picked it up for the full price, but it also comes with 32 bits. So $24 isn't bad for that. The receipt's right here, $12.98. This is a Father's Day promotion. Got it for $14.17, so I picked another one up. Later down the road, I'll probably pick one more of these up, so I can have one in the toolbox, one in a electrical bag, and then I leave one, in the service truck or in my truck, just in case of emergency kind of thing. I appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. If you like these videos, please like. Up over here, please hit the subscribe button and smash the bell notification in the face. And please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!